Hi everyone, welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make negimiso. Negimiso is salty sweet miso paste that you can have with rice, tofu, chicken, anything you like. So it's like savory miso jam. It's very easy to make and it can last about a week in the fridge. So if you make this on the weekend, it will help you for the rest of the week. Let's get started. These are what you need. Japanese leek, 3 tablespoons each of miso, sake, mirin and sugar. And if you want to make it spicy, you can add a little bit of chili flakes. Let's mince the leek. I'm going to use all of it, both green part and white part. Sometimes there is dirt here and here between the leaves, so wash it really well. Cut the top off because it's dried out. Make some slits. Then slice. Make some slits and slice. Let's put all the seasonings in the frying pan or pot. 3 tablespoons each of miso, sugar, sake, and mirin. And just turn the heat on and cook it for a while as you mix it. Miso is all dissolved and it's boiling. Let's add minced leek. Keep cooking to cook off the moisture as you constantly mix it. When you draw a line like this, turn the heat on and cool it down to room temperature. Here is the negimiso I made earlier today. It's room temperature and it's much thicker. Let's put it in the sanitized airtight container. And you can keep this in the fridge about a week. And today, let me show you how I make onigiri using this negimiso. To make onigiri, you need cooked Japanese rice, some salt, filling, which is negimiso and nori seaweed. Wet your hands completely and put some salt. Rub it all over. Take some rice. Make a small dent in the middle. Put negimiso into the dent. Cover it with some rice. And try to make it into triangle shape. Put it on nori seaweed. Wrap it. negi miso onigiri. It's ready to go. いただきます。I can have this for lunch every day. Delicious. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye.